I upload YouTube videos on YouTube the right way? This is one of the questions I've been getting from some of you, asking, Oni, should I use the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app, or should I upload from my Chrome browser because I am using my smartphone? Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you practically how to upload your YouTube videos the right way so as to get loads of views. In fact, you can even get your videos going viral fast. So ensure you follow me closely. Do not miss any part of this video. Now, to be honest, my people, you can upload your YouTube videos through the YouTube app, the YouTube Studio app, or even the Chrome browser. But when you use the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app, there are some features or there are some things you can add to your video that are not well displayed on there. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you how to go about it. That is why this video is a practical video. Let's just get started. Okay, I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you all. At this point, I guess you can see my phone screen already, right? Now this is the YouTube app, the YouTube app where you usually watch videos from. Now you can see this plus button. Are you seeing that plus button on there? Are you seeing it? So you can click on this plus button to upload your YouTube video. Now let's say I want to upload this video. Which video? This one with back. I'll just click on next, right? Then you click on next again. Now pay attention. This part you're seeing is so important. Now I'm uploading this video as a short. I don't want to upload a short video, but even at that, I want you to pay attention. Can you see where it's written public? Make sure you don't upload your videos and allow it to go public automatically. You're getting it wrong if that is how you're doing it. If you upload your video and you just allow it to go public by itself, you are getting it wrong. You are meant to optimize your video first before it goes public. And what do I mean by optimizing? Your description, your title, your thumbnail, your tags, your hashtags. You're supposed to include all of these before you set your video on public. So that might be the reason why some of you are asking, should I use the YouTube app? Now if you're using the YouTube app, when you get to where it is written public, please change it to private. You want your video to be on private first, then you take your time to optimize that video before setting it on public. Now let me explain all of this. You see the first one, which is public. Once you allow your video to be on public and upload automatically, people will just start seeing that video immediately it's done uploading. You know, and one of the reasons is that maybe you've not designed a thumbnail for that video yet, or you've not even added description about that video. YouTube algorithm doesn't know what your video is all about, so they don't know who to start suggesting or recommending your videos to. So that can actually retard or slows the number of views you will start getting. Do you understand? Now the second one, which is members only. If you go ahead and allow your videos to be shown on members only, I mean, it is for those people that are paying. You know, some channels, they have members subscription. You pay every month to become a channel member. Now maybe you want to share a special videos to your members. That is why you use that members only. Now the next one there, which is unlisted. Now if you upload your videos to unlisted, nobody is going to see your video except you share your video links to them. Do you understand? Now I usually make use of this if I have students I'm teaching something. I can decide to create the course or the video and then upload it under unlisted, and then for those students that have paid for my course or have paid for, you know, some kind of mentoring or something, I share the link of this video to them. So if your video is under unlisted, it is not public. Nobody is going to see that video, only you and the people you share the video links to. Same thing for private. If you choose private, you're the only one seeing the video, nobody else is going to see the video. So it is advisable for you to leave your video on private at the point of uploading that video. At the point of uploading, make sure it's on private so that nobody sees that video. That video is not going public yet. Now once it's on private, you can go back like this and you click on upload. You can see that this is a short because it is a short, it's in a short format. Let me see if I have a long form video. Let me see if I have. Do I have a long? Okay, there's a video here. Now you can see this is a long form video, right? This is just for the sake of this explanation. You can see if I click on upload, that upload button, it is going to upload under public, and immediately it's done uploading, everybody or anybody can start seeing this video, which I have explained that it is not the best format. So I'm just going to leave it under private, right? And then go back. They're asking you who are the audience for this video. It is not for kids. Then you click on upload. You can start uploading it here. So you can actually upload videos directly from your YouTube app. Make sure that you go to the visibility and pick private. Pick private. This is so important. Underline it. Pick private. Right now you can see it's uploading. Can you see it? It's uploading. Now let's say you are now ready with your thumbnail, you are ready with your description. You can click on the video again. You can click on these 3 dots. Are you seeing that 3 dots? You click on that 3 dots and then you click on edit. Remember, this is through your YouTube app. You click on edit. Right now, when you click on this edit at the top, you can upload your custom thumbnail. Can you see where it's written custom thumbnail? You click on it and upload the thumbnail you have designed from Canva. I taught you all on this channel how to design thumbnail on Canva. If you've not seen that video, you don't know how to design custom thumbnail like this, I will leave that video for you down in the description of this video, or you watch this video to the end. At the end of this video, I will leave a video on the screen that will show you how to design thumbnail on Canva. So ensure you check out that video after watching this particular one. Now you can see the thumbnail I designed on Canva. You can put done. You can start going in with your title. Let's say the title of this video is how to upload YouTube videos the right way. You go in with it. How to upload YouTube videos the right way. Can you see what we have? Then your description. You remember what I told you guys about your YouTube metadata in the previous video? I think 2 videos before this, I explained the YouTube metadata, which comprises of your description, your title, and your thumbnail. These 3 parts of your video should have keywords, relevant keywords, right? Keywords that are, peculiar or that describe what your video is all about, so that YouTube will be able to, know what your video is all about and start recommending your videos faster. So here, you write along, you have enough space to write description. If you are struggling, I may not write all of these, but my description will go like, if you're struggling with uploading videos on YouTube and you don't know how to go about it, I mean, you don't need to do all of this off heart. There are different AI tools. You can use ChatGPT to, come up with a very good description for your video. Just go to ChatGPT and, give it a prompt. Tell ChatGPT the title of your video and they will give you a very perfect description or even title. I mean, with AI these days, you can do a lot. If you want me to create a whole video on that, explaining how you can use ChatGPT to create your video in less than few minutes, let me know in the comments and I will do well to create that video for you all. Okay, now you have your description. The next thing after your description is for you to choose. Can you see visibility? It's still pending because we chose what private. Now what else I do here? Alter content. Read this. It says, do any of the following describe your content? 1. Makes a real person appear to say or do something that they did not say or do. 2. Alters footage. 3. Generate a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. The answer is no. This is my content, originally my content, so the answer is no. Always pick this accordingly. Okay, now under no, the next is tags. Remember to always add tags to your video. Remember to always add what tags. Very important. Now my tags can be how to upload YouTube videos. Separate each tag with a comma, right? Comma, and then add as many as you can. How to make videos go viral. Just put as many as you can. This is just an example, right? After that, you're done, right? You're done with this part. So this is me showing you how to upload videos using your YouTube app. Let me discard or save this. Let me discard it. Now the video is almost done uploading. Can you see around 99%? Another method that you can use to upload your video is using the YouTube Studio app. Now once you click on your YouTube Studio app, you will see this plus icon at the top there. Click on that plus icon and then click on the video you want to upload. Again, make sure it is not on public. I've explained this, I'm not explaining it again. Now the last method is for you to make use of Chrome browser and type youtube.com. Are you seeing it? Type youtube.com using your Chrome browser and then make sure you are on the desktop side. Can you see desktop side? It is ticked. Make sure you are on desktop side. You can click on that create. Are you seeing create over there? You can click on create and click on upload video. You follow the same process. Do you understand? That is that about Chrome. Nothing, just make sure it is also on private. Now there is something you can add on your Chrome that is not available when you are using your YouTube Studio app and then your YouTube app. It is called Elements and Clips. It is called Elements. Now if you want to add Elements after your video is done uploading, like this video, I think it is done uploading, so let's access it through our Chrome browser. I'll click on my profile picture right there, and then I will click on view your channel. Are you following me closely? Click on view your channel and then click on customize channel. It is so easy, right? So you can use your YouTube to upload your video. You can use the YouTube Studio. Then when you're done uploading, you access the video through your Chrome browser, right? And then click on video. Can you see all these icons? Can you see all these icons at the left hand side? After your profile picture, the next one is your dashboard. Click on the next one after dashboard, which is video. You click on video. Now let's say this is the video I uploaded, right? You click on it. Once you click on it, you can see I've added my description, my title, everything. Now scroll to this part, the right hand part, you will see end screen. This is where you come to add another of your video that you want people to watch. Remember I told you guys I'm going to leave a video on the screen for you, right, on how to design thumbnail. This is where I can come and add it under end screen. So it is an end screen. Do you understand? So ensure you do all of this. Just make sure that you're uploading your video under private, and then before it goes public, make sure, let me explain better now. Before it goes public, make sure you have optimized that video by adding title, adding thumbnail that you've designed, adding description, adding tags. I showed you how to add tags, right? Adding hashtags to your description. When you are done with this, you can even decide to schedule that video. I mean, it is advisable for you to schedule that video. Don't allow it to go public immediately. Schedule it and allow it to, marinate for, let's say, 24 hours. Within this period that you schedule the video, YouTube will take its time to understand what your video is all about, who they can start recommending your videos to based on the SEO you've given to them, based on the keywords that are included in your thumbnail, your description, your title. The YouTube algorithm now will better understand where to categorize your video under. Do you understand? So this is basically how to upload your video. It is this easy. Hope you found this video helpful. This is the video on the screen you need to watch and understand how to design YouTube thumbnails. So important. Okay, so I'll see you in this video. Bye.